BetterHelp Therapy App. The pros, the cons. BetterHelp Therapy App claims to make professional counselling more accessible than ever, therapy from the comfort of your couch. But is it truly effective? Let's uncover the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. BetterHelp is the largest online therapy platform in the world, connecting millions of users with licensed therapists. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just text-based chat. But BetterHelp offers multiple communication methods, including video calls, live chat, and voice messaging. It's available, making it perfect for those with busy schedules or limited access to in-person therapy. The matching process is quick, often connecting you with a licensed therapist within hours. You can also switch therapists anytime, which gives users more control over their experience. Now for the cons. The surprising truth is that while BetterHelp offers flexibility, it's not designed for crisis or severe mental health conditions. The therapists are licensed, but the platform itself doesn't accept insurance, making it pricey for long-term care. Some users feel the sessions can be too brief or lack the personal depth of in-person counselling. And since BetterHelp operates online, experiences can vary depending on the therapist's communication style and availability. In conclusion, the BetterHelp Therapy App is ideal for those seeking convenient, confidential, and consistent access to professional help. It's a lifeline for people who want to talk anytime, anywhere. But for those needing intensive or specialized therapy, in-person care may still be the better route. BetterHelp bridges the gap between accessibility and care. Just remember, it's a tool, not a total replacement for traditional therapy.